Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am natural right now, 4C and proud, but this is going to be a nice little flawless makeup routine, natural flawless makeup routine. I'm going to start with my brows. This is my Milani Easy Brow Pencil, you know, the huge, and I'm just going to fill them in. So when I'm going for a very natural look, I take my concealer, my darker concealer, Toffee, and I use that for above and below my brow. Now, if you remember, I usually just take this color above my brow, but when I'm going for a very, very natural look, I take this color. I just use this color to conceal the whole brow. This is just my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to use that to blend out that concealer. Now I'm taking Makeup Obsession All Blur Stick for primer. I really like this primer. I featured it in my last video. Now to conceal, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. I think I got this from TJ Maxx in the makeup section. And I use this brown shade and the peachy shade to cover my dark spots. And I love this palette because you can get really, really close to your skin shade. And so when you want to wear minimal makeup, this is very, very nice to cover your dark spots. For my upper lip, I'm just going to take that peachy shade and just going with that, just because it's a little darker. And y'all know I like to take my finger and blend out the spots. Again, I like to blend around the dark spot, not completely on top of it, just to keep where the actual dark spot is like opaque, you know, well covered. Now I'm setting that concealer with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Deep. I forgot to show it, but I'm gonna show it at the end. There it is. So now I'm taking NYX Born to Glow. This is my first time using this actually, and I actually got the wrong shade, guys. So y'all know every video I have to go through a struggle. So this video I have to tweak this a little bit to get it to be my shade, because yeah, as you can see, it's pretty dark. It was not my shade. So I had to go into my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I'm not sure of the shade right now. I will link everything, of course, but I end up mixing those two and it gets pretty close to my shade. So I decided to take that same LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee for my concealer. And Toffee is a little too neutral for me, so I use this yellow corrector in the same LA Girl Pro concealer, and I went over that just to bring back some yellow, because yeah, this concealer is a little pink, and so I was really nervous for just to keep just that color. I think it was gonna be too pink, so I went over it with this yellow concealer, and I'm gonna blend that out. taking my Laura Mercier to set under my eyes, on my nose, and then all over my face. Now I'm going to bronze with that bronzer in that MAC highlight blush bronzer palette. I think it's pretty shiny little things, shiny pretty little. I'm gonna link it. But yeah, it's the bronzer I always use. Now I'm gonna take some of that bronzer into the crease of my eyelid to give it a little flesh tone. So this is actually a lash primer called Lash Food. I got this at Ulta. It was a free gift and I really like it. Like, it makes my lashes look thicker, and I think it promotes like lash growth and strength and everything, so it's really nice. And this is CoverGirl. Ooh, do I even know? It is a CoverGirl mascara. Here I'm just taking my Beauty Supply liner and tightlining my lash line. And I'm going to actually just line the bottom corner as well. I'm not going to take it all the way in, just the outer corner. Now this is my BH Cosmetics Nuevo Neutrals palette again, and I'm going into that mauve pink color again. I love this blush. One of my favorites. So pretty, so pretty. And I'm just gonna take these on my cheeks. Y'all know what this means. I'm getting ready for lips. And I'm gonna be taking ColourPop BFF3 lip pencil and lining my lips. I don't know why I thought y'all was gonna be able to read this, but this is a NYX Butter Gloss again, and it's in the shade Creme Brulee. It's so pretty. I want to get into like more lip combos. Right now I've just been lining my lips and putting on a gloss with these new butter glosses, but I want to start like, you know, doing a lipstick under and stuff. I don't know how to do that yet, but I've gotten a lot more butter glosses, so I need to figure that out. But I'm putting on some bottle mascara, and then this is my e.l.f. Set and Mist spray to finish this off. Now I'm just picking out my hair to get myself all cute for the final look. If y'all want to know like natural hair products I use or what I do for my hair, really this is how I wear it. Like honestly, it's not gonna be a lot, I can tell you. But let me know, because a lot of people ask me, you know, what I put in my hair, how do I, you know, style it day to day, which I don't do much again, but you know, if you want to know, I can make a video for y'all. Just let me know. And this is it, guys. This is the final look. My natural flawless makeup routine. This is just for if you want to go out but not look like you're trying to do too much. You know, I'm wearing my natural lashes, no highlighter, just some foundation, blush, bronzer. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.